Hello guys, this is Satyam Sinha and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video I am going to show you that what are the softwares you need in order to follow up with this course. If you don't know, I am finishing up with my series which is web development with Express framework. So here I am going to discuss the softwares we need in this tutorial. So first thing which we need is Node.js. In case if you don't know about Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine because it helps us to run code on our local machine also, because previously JavaScript was only running on browser, but now it has evolved a lot and now it has been running on servers, means you can make websites out of it. Express is a framework which is just a part of Node.js. Okay, so first I think the download Node.js, this long-term support version, LTS version. Okay, after installing Node.js, next we are going to install something called MongoDB. Now you're wondering that why we are installing MongoDB. MongoDB is just a database, means which we need database engine which we need in order to store our data. Means as we are proceeding with this series, we are going to make some application, and in that application we may want to store some data in some kind of database. So MongoDB pairs up well with Node.js with Express. Okay, now you can also use SQL also, but in this case I am using MongoDB because Express pairs well with MongoDB. So without wasting any more time, let's install MongoDB on your system. So this is the first link which you are going to see here is www.mongodb.com. Just click there, and the link which you can see here right here is which is software. Just maybe it is like this community server. Just click there. Now you can see here that whatever version you want, 4.2.8, these are development, so make sure you choose the stable one which is available like this. 4.2, whatever available as a stable one, you just download that and just click here to download. You can choose MSI or zip package or Windows, Amazon Linux, Debian, all of them are available. Okay, so go ahead and download that. I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download that for again. So after installing that, just go to your C drive. Inside C drive, go to your program files and you can see there a folder called MongoDB, or whatever, or wherever you have installed your MongoDB, just go there. Okay, whatever folder you have installed, inside that you can see one folder called server. Inside that, in 4.2, you can see here a bin directory, just this one, and just copy the path of this. Okay, you have to just copy this one, control plus C. After copying that path, just go to your environmental variables like this. Just type here en environmental. Here it is, edit environmental system environmental. You just go here and go to environmental variables. In the path, just click here edit. You have to just create here new and just paste that and save that. I have already pasted that right here, so I don't need to do that. So in your case it has been not like that, so you have to just go there and create a new one. Not a big deal, simplest task. So just go ahead and do that. After that, go to your terminal. I'm in command prompt and click here open, and in here type here MongoDB. Sorry, Mongo. Now if you are not seeing any error and you show something and you see something like this, Then you are ready to go, and your Mongo is successfully installed on your computer. After installing that, after installing MongoDB on your computer, the next thing you want to do is install Robo 3D. Now you are wondering that why we are installing Robo 3D now. Because dealing with MongoDB database is quite tough in the terminal, so we are using some kind of GUI of it. There are a plethora of GUI available for Mongo, but I like personally this one. So you can go ahead and download this one, Robo 3D, Mongo Robo 3D, for your work, and it will allow you a nice GUI interface in order to deal up with the database, which will make your life a lot more easier. So just go here and click download Robo 3D, and this one just click here and download it. And installation is quite simple. Next, I agree, and you are done. After installing Robo Mongo 3D, whatever it is, the next thing we are going to install is some code editor where we are going to write our code. As you know, I am a big fan of Visual Studio Code. Maybe you are a fan of Sublime, or maybe other one like Atom. You can choose whatever you want, but I am going to use Visual Studio Code to write our software. So without further ado, just visit their website, Visual Studio Code, code.visualstudio.com. By the way, if you want, then I'm going to give all the links down in the description so that you won't face any problem. This is for beginner only, because some beginners may face problem in finding out the softwares and installing them. So I'm going to give a link down in the description, so you don't worry about that. So here it is. It is available for all the platforms, so you can simply use whatever your platform is. Mine is Windows 64-bit, and I've installed that already. After installing Visual Studio Code, you're good to go. Once you have installed all the softwares, maybe let me be clear about all those things. Yes, yes. Now, yeah, you have installed all the softwares which you need in order to follow up with this course. So the next thing is we are jumping into a code editor and writing our first server in Node.js. So I'm very much excited. Hope you are also. So see you till then in the next video. Chill. Cheers.